This is a very simple but convenient utility that allows us to estimate pressure gradients at depth from surface fluid properties. So if you come here to this file, you will find the Calculator tab. And this tab has two tables, oil and gas, and in each table you see these yellow cells, which are user inputs, these blue cells, which are calculations. At the bottom of each table, we have the pressure gradients reported in psi per foot and psi per meter units. So let's have a quick test and enter some dummy values into these yellow cells. And there you go. These cells automatically are updated, and we end up with an oil pressure gradient reported in psi per foot and psi per meter. Let's have a quick test on the gas calculator, and voila, these intermediate calculations are updated, and we end up with a gas pressure gradient again reported in psi per foot and psi per meter. So very simple calculators on this first tab. And then I've added, for convenience, these additional two tabs, oil and gas, and in each of these you will find a set of sliders that allows you to visually see the impact on the resulting pressure gradient these parameters have. So instead of typing into these cells now, you simply slide these scroll bars. These parameters change from within certain ranges, and this little schematic on the right updates also with a label reporting the actual gradient in both units. So this is a great way for you to test your intuition and see visually on this little schematic the impact that these parameters have on that resulting pressure gradient. And we have one for the oil calculator and another one for the gas calculator. So for example, here you see the impact that the pressure level itself has on the resulting pressure gradient at depth on account of the high dependency of the gas properties with that pressure level. Okay, so there you go. A simple calculator for you to type into these yellow cells and a couple of extra utilities for you to see the impacts of the parameters on the resulting pressure gradient. Enjoy.